Hello, Swig partners. If your structure is not growing the way that you were expected, and your income is lower than you were planning, I had the same problems. But today, my business works in more than 160 countries. And I would like you to join us for the first big conference in Las Vegas. But apart from the conference, we also will be attending GoPro event. The GoPro is organized by Eric Worre, the guru in network marketing, where many of the top MLMers will share their strategies. And we will be able to take these strategies and implement it for the first presentation that we will organize in Las Vegas. And that is our aim, to help you to get involved the new people which you will be able to find in Vegas. And the third one, we will go to the Grand Canyon, where all of us, we will put the plan and strategy in place, how to get to the top positions in the company within a year time. So please click the link below this video and find out how to get there. And see you in Las Vegas.